This is my Dragon's Den project. So, what is the Juilliard Tintator? The Juilliard Tintator is a machine similar to a very, very small coffee maker, except instead of making coffee, it can make any drink you want. So, like, it could make hot chocolate or Shirley Temples if you want to use, like, soda. And it uses little flavor packets that it comes with. And so it just mixes those into, like, water or any other liquid you want to use. There's not really a specific target for the product for this product because I feel like since it's so universal, it can just apply to anybody that wants to use it because it's like it's going to be really cheap and it's really small and like it makes whatever drink you want. So yeah, and the Juilliard Tintator would probably be sold in like Best Buy or Target or maybe Starbucks or Dunkin' since it's really small, and it would be $1.50, and the cost to make it's 50 cents. And I know that's not a lot, but I feel like it's not. Like, I feel like it's just kind of unfair to sell it for way more than it's worth, especially if it's so cheap to make. Um, so this is the math for the problem to find the break even, and then so the break even is 500 units sold, and then $750 spent. So it's not like a ton of money, but it's still a lot. And I know that it's kind of a lot of money, but I feel like it would sell pretty fast because it can make any drink you want, and I feel like a lot of people would like it and buy it, especially since it's so cheap. So the first equation is y equals 0.5x plus 500, and then you would subtract 500 from both sides, and then you'd end up with negative 500 plus y equals 0.5x, and then you would multiply everything in the equation by 2 to get zero point 0.5 to 1, so it would be like 1x. And then you'd end up with negative 1,000 plus 2y equals x. And then under that to the left, it's y equals 1.5x. And then you would substitute the equation right above that for x, and it would be y equals 1.5 and then 2y times 1,000 in parentheses, and you distribute the 1.5, you'd end up with y equals 3y minus 1,500, and then after you subtracted the 3y from both sides, it would end up as negative 2y equals negative 1,500, or y equals 750. And then to the right of that, it's 1.5x equals y, and then you would substitute the y for 750, and you'd divide both sides by 1.5, and you'd get x equals 500, which would result in the break even, which is 500 units sold and $750 spent. And if the Dragons invest in my product, they can have as many free Juilliard Tintators as they want to give to their friends and family.